Hey, hello everyone, and today welcome you all on this platform. Today we are going to understand that researches demonstrate that malware can be hidden inside AI models, and you should know related this. This is very important. Hiding data inside an image classifier is much like hiding it within an image. Okay, researchers Zehi Wang, Chao Liu, and Xiang Xiu published a paper last Monday demonstrating a new technique for slipping malware past automatic detection tools. In this case, by hiding it inside a neural network. Okay, the three embedded 36.9 MIB of malware into a 178 MIB AlexNet model without significantly altering the function of the model itself. The malware embedded model classified images and with near identical accuracy within 1% of malware free model. This is possible because the number of layers and total neurons in a neural network is fixed prior to training, which means that much like in human brains, many of the neurons in a trained model end up being either largely or entirely dormant. Just as importantly, squaring the malware away into the model broke it up in ways that prevented detection by standard antivirus engines. Virus Total, a service that inspects items with over 70 antivirus scanners and URL domain block listing services, in addition to a myriad of tools to extract signals from the studied content, did not raise any suspicions about the malware embedded model. The researcher's technique chooses the best layer to work with in an already trained model and then embeds the malware into that layer. In an existing trained model, for example, a widely available image classifier, there may be an large impact on accuracy due to not having enough dormant or mostly dormant neurons. If the accuracy of malware embedded model is insufficient, the attacker may choose instead to begin with an untrained model, add a lot of extra neurons, and then train the model on the same data set that the original model used. This should produce a model with a large size but equivalent accuracy. Plus, the approach provides more room to hide nasty stuff inside. The good news is that we are effectively just talking about steganography. Okay, the new technique is a way to hide malware, not execute it. In order to actually run the malware, it must be extracted from the poisoned model by another malicious program and then into its working form. Okay, the bad news is that neural network models are considerably larger than typically photographic images, offering attackers the ability to hide far more illicit data inside them without detection. Cybersecurity researcher Dr. Lukasz Olejnik told Motherboard that did not think the new technique offered much to an attacker. Today, it would not be simple to detect it by antivirus software, but this is only because nobody is looking. But the technique does represent yet another way to potentially smuggle data past digital sentries and into a potentially less protected interior network. So how was that knowledge? And today I play updates and share, and you can know more related this. You can suggest me, comment me to make this kind of videos. Thank you.